What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So, as you guys know, yesterday there was a trade of 8 outage, so I didn't trade. And today we're in this trade, so yeah. We are Thursday, January 29, and I think we're about to get stopped out, but let me show you guys the setup. So we had these session lows that got taken out after market open. We had previous day low got taken out, and we had this draw and this draw right there since we took out these. So what happened is 946, so in macro we swept this draw and we actually closed above. We even retested it at 947, right? And it's only wicks, the body closed above, right? So pretty, like, those are the usual setups, right? But I guess just January, it's no bueno. I don't know what to say. Bang, reversal right away, 1 minute for value gap setup, bang, I enter perfectly, 200 ticks for 400 ticks, so 50 point, right? So yeah, I just got stopped out, you guys seen it, 500. So this means now, because I go with the lowest account, so the lowest account would be this one, so I have $528 left of drawdown, right? So this means now I have to risk 250. And this means too that I actually lost 500. Already lost 3 times in a row, which makes no sense. But I guess that's the month of January for the strategy. I don't know what to say. That's been the whole thing. Anyway, so right now, tomorrow I'll risk 250 because I go 500, 500, 500, 250, 250. So we have 5 trades total. And yeah, if tomorrow, hopefully we win, right? If tomorrow we win, then I can be back to risking 500. So that's that. Trading view. Honestly, I mean, I don't know what else today I could have been looking at. If we go on the 1 minute, market open, bang, we take out London low. We displace through Asia low. We create for value gaps 1 minute here, but it's not in our time yet. If it was, I mean, this would have been a nice setup. But then stop loss, I don't know why. Then we just kept on going down. We had this previous day low. I guess price stopped here and retested this before going down again. But yeah, honestly, there's nothing I can think about. So yeah, it's just simply like that, you know. Today we did everything that we have to do, but I took an L and it is what it is. I'll move on. Let's go here. That was the picture, but doesn't matter. Reversal, we took all the draws already, then a good setup for the reversal, right? I don't know why TradeSyncer does this, man. Like here I lost 480, but here I lost like $30, $40 more, whatever. Anyway, and yeah, yesterday, I mean, it's a good thing that the outage happened because I would have honestly took a break even trade, but break even for sure, not a loss, because what was it? I would have taken a long, but then price just didn't move out the fair value gap with speed, so it was just ranging like that, and I would have ended up closing maybe a loss of 100, 200 max. But yeah. Tuesday's just no trade. I didn't see any setup. And then Monday, Monday, did we have anything? Monday was a break-even day, I remember. I got a 1-to-1, and then I trailed my stop loss and just got stopped out for plus 200. So yeah, I mean, fuck. We only have Friday for this week, but then finally January is done. I already backtested February 2025, 2024, 2023, and it was looking pretty good. So the same thing with January. When I was backtesting January, it wasn't all that. But those are the months like this. I mean, maybe for other people they actually bankrolled on them, but I'm not saying it was bad at this point. I'm just saying it wasn't ideal this month. I mean, where are we going now? We took out this draw, but it doesn't even matter. Let me log out. Keep the good rules. But what I'm happy about is I'm actually following the rules, my rules. I'm not over trading, not over risking. Actually taking one trade a day. Just it's unfortunate right now. Yeah, whatever happens, happens. I'll still trade 250. If Friday I win, then I can be back to 500. Then another winning day or break even on the accounts. So yeah, that was the recap. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.